Another day in my life. There are no complaints. Everything is smooth and my relationship is stable and good. But why do I feel unhappy about it? Hi everyone, Leon here. Welcome back to my channel. So, if you are in a stable and healthy relationship and you somehow don't feel happy about it, and you're thinking if this relationship is for you, then stop for a moment. I want you to take a step backwards and look deeper inside you, because this could be an issue that is internal. It may not have anything to do with your partner or the relationship at all. Now, I don't know what exactly you're feeling unhappy about, but there are two things I would like to highlight in this video that I feel could help you if you are in a stable and healthy relationship and yet do not feel happy or feel unhappy about it. Imagine that you are an archer. You have your bow and arrow, but no target to shoot at. You can aim and shoot all you want, but you will not hit anything purposeful. The initial kick of having that bow and arrow and shooting wherever or whenever you want is going to start to wane over time because there's nothing purposeful for you to shoot at. Have you ever thought of why you get into a relationship? Or are you someone who will date just about anyone who shows interest without knowing what you want out of a relationship? The initial attraction will slowly start to fade away if there is no goal, especially a shared goal between the couple. Here is where you get comfortable with each other, or even maybe to a point of being lazy, and you'll stop doing the things you do for each other when you are starting out. You may not feel it initially, but slowly, bit by bit, resentment starts to build up. And one day, you may find that you are feeling unhappy in your relationship. You wonder if this is the relationship for you, because the love and passion that was there initially seem to have died or still barely there. But there's no compelling reason for you to leave either. So you keep on staying in this zone of unhappiness and hope that someday or somehow something will change. If you find yourself in this situation, what you could be missing is a shared goal. Having a shared goal will give both you and your partner a sense of purpose in the relationship and something to work towards together. So, if you don't have one right now, it's still not too late to ask yourself these questions. What do I want in a relationship? How will my ideal relationship look like? And then share this with your partner, and also ask them to share with you their views on what they want in a relationship and how their ideal relationship will look like as well. This will be a meaningful and fulfilling exchange between the two of you to get to know each other better and at a deeper level. Do you know what's a three-legged race? It's a race where one of your legs is tied to one of your partner's legs and you have to move forward together to the finishing line in this manner. Now, imagine if your partner is moving in the opposite direction as you. How effective is it for you to move forward? Can you imagine just how tiring and how much effort you have to put in to move forward? And it's pretty obvious that you won't get very far in a very short time, isn't it? Your partner in this three-legged race could be your partner in your relationship. They could be creating this emotional baggage for you by not supporting your dreams and aspirations, or not meeting your emotional needs and so on. If you feel that your partner is causing this unhappiness in you, whether it's intentional or unintentional, let them know and share your thoughts with them. If you feel uncomfortable or don't know how to have this conversation with your partner, check out this video where I share some useful tips on how to communicate effectively. Next, your partner in this three-legged race could be your own emotional baggage that you couldn't let go. It could be a painful past relationship. It could be a hurtful incident in your childhood, and so on. This emotional baggage could be your source of unhappiness. It could be telling you that What makes you think you're worthy of a happy relationship? What makes you think this is different this time around? And so on. I talk about one powerful way on how to let go of your past in this video. Make sure to go check it out after this video and hope it will bring you even more value. So live and love passionately. Thank you.